Shaun, today it's Ice King videos, and today I want to show you something. Today I'm going to play all the sound effects of Shaun the Sheep that was used in an episode. So the first one is where, I think this one is mostly played where they're around the goat. This is it. That's when something cheeky goes on, or like something unknown goes on in the show. This is another one. So this one usually plays where you're with the goat. Well, it's up to mischief or something. Let's play another one. This sound effect of Shaun the Sheep is played when the episode begins. Those are some sound effects from the ducks. That's some other sound effects from the show. Those are the sheep now. That's all the sound effects is of Shaun the Sheep. Thanks for watching. And subscribe, because this is quite hard to find.